Alright, take a video here. Spark
It's
plug.
recording right now?
Yeah. We got spark plugs. We got oil filter. And we got oil.
Running too nice.
I'm loving this shit right now. You're about to just come right back. You're just making it hot.
Do another. This is the drag strip. Right here.
I'll post this shit to Brian. Nice little header drag.
I wonder if Andrew could even keep up with the piece.